Let's talk about compliance management systems. Hi, Dave Dickinson with Bankers Compliance Consulting. One of my favorite topics to present on is compliance management systems. Now, there's no one size fits all. There's no secret recipe I can give you, but there is a basic systems, if you will, the components that you need to have in every successful compliance management system. Kind of like the chassis of a car, they all need to have a transmission, and we need to have brakes, we need to have a steering column, we need to have wheels and axles, but your color of your car can be different than the color of my car, and you can have different whistles and bells and things like that. We can have completely different body styles. So here's a picture I want to present to you. It's the House of Compliance. You'll see that we've got board and senior management oversight at the top. We've got all these pillars representing each component of the compliance management system, starting with risk assessments and policies, procedures, and processes, and training, audits and monitoring, your complaint management program, your reporting, and then you repeat those things over and over. You're never really done. We'll come back to that in a little bit. But at the foundation of all of that is a thing called culture, your organizational health. Without a strong culture, you are really fighting a losing battle. Now, I talked about each one of those you repeat. You're never going to be done repairing, improving, revisiting each one of these programs. So we like to say audit and train, but there's also risk assessments over and over and over as things are changing. And then you set up different procedures or policies based on that. And you're constantly working on your house of compliance. Over the next few months, I'll be shooting out some other videos on this topic. We'd love to have you attend some training that we're going to be doing on this. So contact us, visit our store to find out more information about our compliance management systems training. I hope to see you then. Thanks.